It was very important to me to come here. It's very important that the United States is helping and partnering with Kosovo to preserve their cultural heritage. We have our Ambassadors Fund for Cultural Preservation. That's something that we do to preserve history, to preserve heritage, to work with our partner countries in building a future out of the past. And so this site here at Drsnik is made possible, this excavation is made possible by our Ambassadors Fund, but also by the Ministry of Culture, Sports, and Youth, and I'm grateful to meet the minister here today. Made possible by the archaeology and excavation team. I was grateful that they shared their expertise with me. Made possible by the local municipality, made possible also by the landowners. And I am very mindful, we are mindful, that it takes all of those stakeholders to make a project like this a success. And having all of those stakeholders work together, we see as a best practice. That's something we want to encourage and see in the preservation of sites across this country. You know, that's important because it really signifies the multi-ethnic Kosovo that we want to see, the prosperous Kosovo, the democratic Kosovo that we want to see. And this site here at Drsnik also, this is a symbol of Kosovo's European history, shared European history, and in many ways, restoring it now is a bridge to the European future that we see for Kosovo, that we've long supported, that we're encouraging this Euro-Atlantic integration for Kosovo. And so we're here as a committed partner and friend of Kosovo. I'm really looking forward to following the work that happens here, to hopefully coming back when it can be a site for visitation and tourists, and we're eager to see both the economic development and the completion of this program to pay tribute to the history.